Hi loves! I'm so excited to share an unboxing with you today. It's been so long since I've actually been shopping, so I've been trying to watch my spending and sticking to only things that I absolutely need lately. So I'm very proud of myself. We actually had a date night. I did not expect to purchase anything. I wasn't even looking, although I knew in the back of my mind the items that I need. We chose to, before dinner, go to the mall, which is rare. We never get to go to the mall by ourselves. We always have the kids and we can never look at anything. So it was a lot of fun. It did turn into a little shopping date. Let me share my goodies with you. I knew that I needed some black closed-toed heels. I needed open toe, and then I needed tan, I don't even know. I also needed an all black small purse. If you watched my last video, you know why. The last one did not work out. We ended up going to one of our favorite stores, Smiths and Evens. Oh, and I love these shoes. I actually love shoe shopping in Neiman Marcus. I just think that it's so difficult to go to so many different stores and work with different people and have to tell them your size and what you're looking for, and it takes forever. So I love going to one place that has multiple designers that can come out and give you your sizing and exchange them right then and there. If you need a different size, it just seems easier to me than to go to the actual boutiques. So of course, I got them from Fendi. If you know me, I always talk about my favorite, most comfortable pair of shoes. They are also from Fendi, and when you see these, you will understand why I bought these. So first of all, I always check for both dust bags. I bought a pair before and I didn't have any dust bags, and I bought a pair before where I only had one dust bag. They were very kind enough to honor, you know, the dust bag. I went back and got them, and they remembered me from the day before anyway. I always double check just to make sure. So we're good on that. We have both. And I haven't taken them out since I purchased. Here they are. The Fendi First sling bag. So cute. So I wanted something that I could wear in the fall and have closed toe, because fall is coming upon us, fall and winter. And so even though I needed an open toe shoe as well in black, I didn't go for the open toe because, for one, I have the Fendi First open toe, which is the shoe that I referenced earlier when I said the most comfortable pair that I own are from Fendi. That is the Fendi First, the open toe. I also wanted something that wasn't just a full pump, like an old, you know, too classic style old school pump. I wanted the sling back, which to me gives just like a little bit of sexiness to have the thin strap around your ankle. Definitely was excited when I saw these in store. I had no idea that they were even releasing these. Like I said, I have the Fendi First open toe, the first ones that they came out with, and I also had my eye on the Fendi First boots last year, but I didn't get those. I refrained, and I'm so glad I did, because I don't want to just have all Fendi First shoes, but they're so cute and they're so comfortable. So I'm really excited about these. The outside is all cowhide leather. The inside, though, is actually lambskin. So they're very soft on the inside, very smooth and soft. The back is just the gold Fendi First, that curved F. They show Fendi at the bottom. I got these in a size 40, which is the exact same size that I have in the Fendi First open toe shoe. And when I tried them on, I thought I might go up to a 41, but then because it is leather, I know that eventually it kind of wears and really kind of morphs to your foot and gives you a little bit of room. So I figured I better stick with the 40 just to make sure that they're not going to become too loose. I want that, you know, snug sling back to stay snug. Before tax, these were $13.90. So here's the price on the box. The Fendi First open toe that I already own were also $13.90. I just double checked. These were $13.90 as well, and then with tax I think it came to 15 something, 15 or 16. But they are a shoe that will be in my collection forever. They're comfortable, they're simple. I had tried them on with jeans and it was so cute. You just see, you know, the pump, so you can't tell if it's a boot or if it's an actual pump sling back. You can't really tell, so you can get away with it in the spring and summer when you wear it with dresses and you have the cute little sling back and open heel, or you can wear it in the winter and the fall with the closed toe with longer pants or longer dresses. So I really love that I went for something that is a little more versatile, even though it's just an all black shoe. It's an all black comfortable shoe. So I'm very happy with these. I think I'm good to go on fall footwear, but you know, a closet is never completely done, right? All I'm saying is that I think I can hold off for a long time right now. I'm pretty happy with these. I can't wait to wear them. Just know I have plans for these shoes. Thanks so much for watching. I can't wait to see you next time. Bye.